What is collaboration? Let's understand with the example of a delicious bowl of mango ice cream. Now, think of a bowl of mango ice cream. Usme, do you feel that mango has to have its own identity? Milk should say, people should know what I am. Cream should say कि मेरे को भी importance नहीं मिल रही है. Same with the sugar. सब मिलकर very homogeneously it becomes a very nice delicious bowl of mango ice cream. Now let's take another example of Operation Sindoor. Operation Sindoor, was it the work of just one person, or was it the collaboration of so many different wings? Someone who was masterminding the whole thing. There were other people who were, the people from the armed forces. Everything was done in such accurate precision. So collaboration is all about different people coming together. It does not mean that you lose your identity or your ideas are not your ideas. All ideas, all people with different skills, they all come together and they work as a cohesive engine for a common goal. Now, common goal could be at home, could be harmony at home. In the office, it could be the vision of the organization, the goal that they want to achieve. So these goals keep on changing. तो आपका उसके हिसाब से you have to blend or sort of gel well with the people you are working with. अगर collaboration नहीं होता तो क्या होता है? अक्सर में you will have fights, you will have conflicts, you will have politics, you will have stress. The environment does not remain a happy place to work in. Then people also don't want to talk to each other. मैं क्यों पहल करूँ? Why should I be the first one? Ego comes in, self-respect comes in, और उसके चक्कर में होता क्या है? The organization loses on its productivity. The productivity suffers badly. The place does not remain to be a good place to work in. So at the end of it, जहाँ पे भी काम करना है, whether it's a family, whether it is a team playing a match, वो आपको collaboration और cohesiveness बहुत essential है. So if you have that skill, it does not mean that अपने ideas, अपने identity खो देना. It means that you take your individual qualities and skills together and then you work together for a common goal. See the way the Indian cricket team plays. They play with the objective of winning. They don't say कि मेरे को man of the match बनना है या फिर I have to have the maximum social media. They don't think of our. उनका objective is one single objective, that is to win a match. Similarly, if you have to take a ticket, if you want to go to Russia or let's say Australia, but you take a ticket for some other place, would there be cohesion there? So basically, all boils down to working together in synchrony as a team. और टीम तभी आएगा जब आप एक दूसरे को ट्रस्ट करोगे. ट्रस्ट तभी आएगा जब आपस में जो भी आपके कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स हैं, फ्रिक्शन है, उसको आयन आउट कर लोगे. उसके बाद यू विल बी एबल टू वर्क टुगेदर एज अ वेरी कोहेसिव कोलैबोरेटिव टीम. एंड जब आपका टीम कोलैबोरेटिव हो जाती है तो देयर इज जस्ट नो पॉसिबिलिटी कि आपकी कंपनी को लॉस होगा. टेक केयर.